So guys, this was our last week analysis. Yeah, this was our last week analysis, and technically we say that the market is going to come to our 50% level, or the market is going to do this, give us a little bit retracement, then push up to this level. So this is what the market did technically. The market couldn't get to the 50% fib level. And if you watch closely, the market has been pushing up. It has not recently, it has not been getting to our 50 or 61%. If you are very, very observant. So now what we are doing is we'll be looking out for, we'll still mark out our 50% fib level, but we'll be looking out for a reaction at a key zone, a nearest key zone, right? We'll be looking out for a nearest key zone where the market, where we'll have multiple rejections at the nearest key zone on the closure of the market. So that when we see a reaction there, we can mark it out, then we enter from there. Then once we enter from there, we can still, when the market moves to 200 pips or 100 pips, we'll break even. So it will be in a better, we'll be in a better position not to miss trade. And once it gets to a particular zone, major resistance zone, we close. So that's what we're going to be doing. But this is first week. This is going to be first week of August. So we'll wait and see the reaction of the market. Though we're going to do our analysis, then we'll wait and see the reaction of the market. So we don't rush the market. We wait for the market to come to our entry. Then we strike. Okay. So
Okay.
excuse me. So that is it. Do we have any questions? Basically,
Mm,
this trade, I took this trade. Can you guys see my screen?
yeah.
Okay. Basically, I took this trade and it came here, it started consolidating. I closed. So on Wednesday, I took this sell again.
Yeah.
So you see that we ate on the both sides. Once immediately the market reacted here, I took this buy and I took this sell. I took this buy. I took this sell also on Friday. This sell, I took it on Friday, but I didn't post it. I took it on Friday and I made up to
Mm,
5,000 something dollars in my challenge account,
okay.
right?
That's great.
So you need to follow the market. If you want to be making money in US30
Yeah. Yeah.
consistently, you need
Follow
to
it
be
on.
watching what the market is doing, the reaction of the market.
It's true.
If you are not following it, you think that nothing is happening. So
Yeah.
that is the thing. Chinaza, are you here with us? Chinaza?
Sure, boss. So I'm here.
Okay. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. So the
Sorry for
person,
my sister. She's not online.
oh, she's not
She,
online.
she has something. Yeah, yeah, she's not online on WhatsApp. No, she's in Nigeria. Something she that came up, so she's not online. That's why she's not here.
All right, no problem. It's all right. So, what we'll be doing, we are going to be doing the analysis. We are going to be doing the analysis for for the week, and I'll watch what the market is going to do. Yeah, we'll wait for the entry. So Chinaza, how say you've gotten the challenge account, right?
Yes, I've gotten the account.
Have you started trading it or
Yes, so of course I've started trading now.
so how is it going?
My testimony, let me share it with you guys. Actually, for like I said before, for a while I stopped trading. So, as someone that started again now, so I was just making I was making a mistake. So I was having losses, so much losses. At the time, the this is almost 1,000 losses in just few days. So, but these few days that the trade was actually going nicely. So I took the trade. I made sure I take the trade, and I was trying to be careful this time and learn. I was following your strategy and the rest. So by God grace, I think I got so many things right and I understand some things. So I made profits more than like I regained the losses and I was now making a little bit profits. At least I have recovered the losses and I've made like 400 on top.
Okay. Wow, that's very nice. That's a very good testimony. Yeah, yeah. It shows that
Yeah,
you
I
are
got $25,000 account.
25.
Yes.
Wow, that's pretty nice. I'm really impressed, Chinaza. So, which lot size are you using for the $25,000 account?
Actually, I was trying to use big loss because that was why I made those losses. I was using 0.1 and 0.05, just these two loss size I was using.
0.05 and 0.1.
Yes,
Okay, so now if you want to pass that account, if you're gonna stick with what I'm gonna tell you now, you'll pass it and you'll pass it this week if the market really goes well, and you move to the second phase. All right.
it's have it's have a second phrase. Like, I've not really understand how it's go. Can you please explain it to me?
It has first and second phase. Everything is written there. When you get the account, okay, let me just go through the account. Let me show you guys. This is fundedness. Let's go to fundedness because I think most of you don't really get how this profile works. Is you research sometimes. You just go and research. Go and your first distance. Okay. Now, can you guys see? Sure, this is the account you are trading.
Yes.
This is Stellar 2 step, $25,000. You are doing discount
Yeah.
25. You click once you click on it. If you click on it, when you come down here, these are the rules, the challenge rules. These are all the challenge rules. All these things you are seeing here is the challenge rules. You understand? The phase
Yes,
one
yes.
profit target is 8%. So once you make 8% of that account, you've passed it, then you move to the phase two. Fundedness make it that you just phase one and phase two, you are good to go. They will fund you. So you move to phase two. Phase two is 5%. If you make 5% of that phase two, you have passed the account. Then they will now fund you. They will now fund you the real capital, right? So you follow the daily loss limit. The daily loss limit is 5%. So the mass loss limit is 10%. The drawn out type is statistics. Then the minimum trading days is 5 days. News trading, you can trade news trading. Yeah. What is 40%? They will share your profit 40%. They will take 40, you take 60 if you trade on news. during the news. Then they have 15% performance reward, 487.50, right? So now, if you pass that account and make profit, they are going to refund you your money back. Are you getting me?
25K back.
They will refund you. It's not in 5K. It's not in 5K that you used to buy the account. The money you used to buy the account, they will refund you that
Okay.
particular money. If it's $149 or $150, you used to purchase the account, they will refund you the money and they will pay you your extra profit that you make on top of the account, right? After 21 days. The first withdrawal is 21 days. Reward share, 95%. Any profit you make, you are taking 95%, they will take 5%, right? So that is the margin rules, no margin rules. Weekend holding allowed. So you guys even started when the rules are even more flexible, right? Before margin rules, I was battling with margin rules when I started the account. And there is nothing like weekend hold. You can't hold the market, the trade till the weekend. So all these things now, the fundedness are making it more flexible for traders to be able to have a very good environment to trade freely. Do you understand? So
Yeah.
you go here, read all these things. It's not just to buy the account. When you buy the account, read the rules, read the terms and conditions, understand what you are going through. Understand what you are going through. You understand?
Yes, sir, but I read all these things, but the problem is understanding it
Is
because I do
understanding.
not understand those percents. Like I don't know how to divide those percent, like what it
So
means
once you from the
exactly.
percentage, if you go to your Google, just type 8% of $25,000. When you pass it, you know the amount you are going to make in that account for the first stage. The second stage, type 5% of the $25,000. It will give you. Then you now focus on it. Then if you are trading, if you lose one or two times at a go, three times at a go in your trading, you close for the day, you wait for the next day, and the account should be, if you are risking, risk 0.5% of that account per trade. If you want to pass that account, 0.5% of that account. Well, if in as much as you are trading US30 with that account, with 0.5, you can even pass the account in a week because US30 is very volatile. You can pass that account in a week. My 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 200,000 account, I think is left for 3%. This is my account. This is my account. It's left with, I have okay, this is my account. I've made 6.87%. So what am I left with? I've left with, this is the profit I made. Then this is the maximum profit, $16,000. So if I make extra $3,000 here or 2,000 something, I've already
Sorry,
passed the
sir,
first stage.
point at the place because I'm not seeing where you're pointing at.
Look at you not see where I'm pointing. Profit targets. When you come here, you see all these things. Come to your dashboard. You will see all these things, everything. This is when I started it, 9th of July. Follow my cursor, where my cursor is going. You see what I'm showing you. Then profit target, see profit target here. The minimum money I can make for this account for the first stage is $16,000. Then how much have I made already? I've made 13,733.01 dollars. So what is left for me now to get this 16,000 is 2003 to pass this account, to pass the first stage. Then the minimum trading days, I've already passed it because I've traded more than 5 days. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So that is it. So when you make your profit,
So
it's
I
showing
should
your
trade more than
percentage.
the 5 days now. They say just 5 days you can trade. It's like from Monday to Friday night, what it means, right?
No, it's not from Monday to Friday. You can, if you trade from Monday to Friday, you can still continue trading, but the minimum you can trade, why they do it, the minimum trading days, is because of those that will take one trade and use one trade and pass the account. So you have to trade like 5 days before you pass the account. So this one is not necessarily important, because even if you pass the account in one day, you can just come and enter trade and close every day till it completes 5 days. Do you understand it? Till it completes 5 days, right? So do you understand what I'm saying?
No, sir, you don't understand. Like 5 days means from Monday to Friday now.
5
Because
days.
they show me this.
5 days is
Huh?
Monday to Friday. Listen, they say minimum trading days, right? Your minimum trading days is 5 days. 5 days.
Yes.
You can decide, if it's not a must that you must trade Monday to Friday. Sometimes you will not see your setup. But they want you to, the whole of the time that you pass the account, you must trade 5 days. So it does not base on you trading from Monday to Friday. You might see your setup on Wednesday. You might not even see your setup for the week. You might see your setup next week. But what they are trying to tell you is that you must trade that account for 5 days for you to pass the trading days. So the current
What
result,
if you trade more than 5 days? What if you trade more than 5 days?
if you trade
Because I
this,
told you I was trading every day, but I was making losses as of the the starting of the time. So I don't know,
listen, yeah,
but they
listen.
have shown me this past. They write me this past.
If yes, they have showed you past, that means you're in the right track. Trading for 5 days, more than 5 days, it does not mean, they say minimum. Understand what they say here? Minimum days you can trade. You can trade 100 times. You can trade 200 times. They say minimum. There is a difference between minimum and
Okay.
maximum. Understand it.
Yeah, yeah.
They say minimum you can trade is 5 days. So you can trade 6 days, 7 days. Me, my current trading days is 9. So you can trade above 5 days, but they say minimum. You can't trade 3 days. You can't trade 4 days. You can't trade only 4 days. You can't.
Okay.
That's what they try to explain. Do you get it?
Okay. Yes, yes, yes.
So that is it. That is it. So if you have now you've gotten the account, take it serious and trade only US30. I don't know if you started trading other pair, but trade only US30. Trade only US30. Only US30. And trade when you see your setup. When you see your setup on 1 hour. And if you follow the 1 hour strategy I teach you guys the other day and 5 minutes entry, you can still be catching 200 pips every day or 100 pips with 50 pips loss size. So if you know what you are doing, don't don't trade aggressively on the account, because now if you try to trade aggressively on the account, there will be a time you get to a drawdown. You'll be pushed to take a massive risk, which will blow the account. So trade
That was what happened to me.
conservatively.
Okay.
Do you
Yeah.
understand? Trade conservatively so that you manage the account. Don't look at when to pass the account. Just use it as your learning process. Use it as your learning process, because if you are looking at the monetary, looking at to pass the account as quick as possible, you are going to lose the account. So if you follow these rules, you are good to go. I have 3 accounts and I've not lost any of them. I have 3 accounts. I've not lost any of them since I started with fundedness, and they pay me monthly. They pay me each and every time I have profit. They don't deny payment. That is why I trust them. and I can recommend them for anybody, any of my students, right? So they are very good. You don't have any problem when you make your profit. So that is it.
Monthly. Why is it monthly they pay? I thought it's every 2 weeks.
They pay every 2 weeks, but I calculate it based on monthly. They pay every 2 weeks. Once once you make your profit target before 2 weeks, they pay you. But your first payment is 21 days. But what I calculate, because I I take this is a business for me. So I do it as monthly. I get the money 2 weeks, another 2 weeks I get the money, then I put it together. I say, okay, this is how much I made in a month. So that's how I calculate
Okay.
it personally. But they pay, if you want to be taking it 2 weeks, you can be taking your money 2 weeks. So I take mine every month. Is that understood?
Okay. So sorry, sir. Where do they usually pay to? Is it to your your account, your Nigeria account, or be your Binance?
They pay once you start, once you have gotten to that stage, you do your KYC. That's what they call KYC. You do your verification. Once you verify your account, have you verified your account, first of all? You've not.
I
So
think I
if
know. I think
if
so.
you verify your account, now now fundedness can pay you directly to your account now, right? They can pay you directly to your account. So that is it. They can pay you directly to your account once you have done your KYC. You get. So that is it.
So they pay you through the Binance or your account.
They pay through the Binance. Like me, if I want to withdraw money, this is how I withdraw money. This is transaction. This is the payout I've had. This is my payout, all the money they have paid me recently. $5,124, right? So once you have gotten your payout, your profit, it will come here. It will come here. At this payout, you see it here. They will not ask you. They will not tell you that you should, if you do your KYC, you can easily withdraw it. So once you come here, you see a payout. Then these are all the distance. These are all the payouts I've gotten. So once you make your profit and the time frame they give you for your profit, they remove it from your account. Then you'll see it here. You'll see it on pending. I think pending amount. Once you withdraw it, there will be a button. You click on withdraw. Once you withdraw, it will come to pending amount. So once they pay you within 24 hours, it will not come here. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Is that clear?
Yeah, I'm hearing you. Yeah.
Yeah. So that is it. So after the whole disbursement, this is the total disbursement, the money they have already been paying me. This is the total. This is where yours will be, right? So that is it. We have 7 minutes. We have 7 minutes. So do you have any other question? You are free to
For
ask
now,
your
no.
question now. You are free to ask your question. Don't trade the account aggressively. Trade it conservatively so that you will not lose the account. Okay.
But coach, like, if you want to trade, like, how many times trade can you take in a day? Because when I started, I was over trading. I was over trading. I know I was over trading because I was just making losses, and I was trying to if I tried to recover, that is when I lose more. If I try to recover, I'll keep on losing and losing.
That
So
is
I was losing almost
yeah,
1,000.
yeah. If you are following
So
the
I was over
process,
trading. I trade like more than 10 I take more than 10 trades a
no,
day.
no, that is wrong. You lose that account if you are not careful. You don't trade like that on US30. You don't trade like that. If you trade 2 times, 3 times, 3 trade in a day is okay. 3 trade or 2 trade in a day is okay.
Two trade a whole day. Two,
Yes,
three trade a whole day.
yes. It's not all about how many trades
Oh,
you take. Is the quality of the trade you take. Sometimes I don't trade for 1 week, 2 weeks. Sometimes I don't trade for 1 week. I don't trade for 2 weeks because I've not seen what I'm looking at. Do you get? So
Discipline.
if you are trading every day, 10 trade, 5 trade, you will lose the account in no time. So you trade when you see your setup, when you see A plus setup. I'm telling you, only one trade. You can use it and pass that account. Only one trade. Only one trade. Only one A plus setup can pass that account for you. So why are you trading every day? Why are you trading 10 times when you can wait and look for a better setup and take the trade and you pass the account? It's very easier than you are trading all the time. You lose and win, lose and win, lose and win. So that is it. So guys, we'll we are going to be doing our top-down analysis. I'm going to be doing our top-down analysis. I don't think we'll have much time, so I'm going to rush this top-down. So this is our high, as we all know. This is our low. This is our low. This is our low. So now we don't have really much. We'll move down to the daily. To the daily. We'll bring out our trend line. We'll mark out our trend line. So I'll see multiple zones, multiple rejection here. I hope you guys are looking at what I'm doing.
Yes.
So this is rejection, multiple rejection. So this is a key zone. This is a key zone, and the key zone is at the psychological level, which is our part of our confluence. So we'll move down quickly to the 4 hours. So we'll move down to the 4 hours. Move down to the 4 hours. So what I'm looking out for, well, I see another zone here, but what I'm looking out for, another zone here. I'm seeing another zone here. So using our Fibonacci, we are expecting the market to come and tap us here. The market tap us here, good. Then the second entry here, do like this. We'll take it up. So this is another zone that I see. Another zone here.
Yeah, yeah,
Is that clear?
yeah.
So
It's very
this
clear.
is this will be our this will be our analysis. So I'm dropping it in the group. So is that clear? Did you guys see what I just did?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so that is it. We're gonna call it a day. Then we'll see what the market is gonna hold for this week. All right, guys.
Okay.
Have a nice week ahead, and let's see what the
Thank you.
markets will have for us this week. All right, guys. Take care. Bye for
Okay.
now.
Thank you very much.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.